Hey everyone, I've partnered up with TGIN to bring you this holiday-inspired hairstyle courtesy of their Miracle Repair line. If you want to know the products I use to get this look and how you can snag some of their products on sale for Black Friday, please keep watching. So as you can see, my hair is currently dry and I washed it about a week ago, so I'm going to go ahead and begin cleansing my hair with TGIN's Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. Now what's great about this shampoo is that it's infused with black honey and coconut oil. The coconut oil works to smooth your cuticle surfaces, leaving your hair feeling really soft, while the black honey works on healing any damage in your hair. I love that this shampoo is paraben and sulfate free, but it still foams up, so it really allows you to feel like your hair is being cleansed. So now I'm just going to follow up with their protective conditioner, and honestly I really love how soft this conditioner left my hair feeling. As I was detangling my hair with the brush, I didn't experience much shedding to my surprise. Now for deep conditioning, my absolute favorite part of my curly hair routine. I'm going to go ahead and use their deep hydrating hair mask and sit under the steamer so that my curls can retain as much moisture as possible. And as you'll notice, my hair was super easy to run my fingers through after sitting under the steamer with that hair mask. It left my hair feeling so soft. Now that we're done with hair care, I'm going to begin styling my hair. So for this part, I'm going to be using their leave-in conditioner along with their curl food. And I want to use a leave-in conditioner just to make sure that my hair is moisturized and hydrated. But the curl food, as you can see, has a bit of a thicker consistency. So I want to use that to weigh my hair down, because for this style, I don't want my hair to get very voluminous and big. I want it to stay a little bit down. So I'm going to weigh my hair with both of those products. To help weigh my hair down a bit more, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail to the back. This ponytail will not only help my hair dry, but it's also going to make sure that my hair stays detangled after putting in the curl food, the conditioner, and detangling my hair with the Denman brush. After allowing my hair to air dry for about 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and use some of TGIN's anti-breakage serum. Whenever I'm manipulating my hair, whether it's by raking it or twisting it, I like to use an oil to make sure I don't cause any breakage while trying to achieve my hairstyle. And after adding some accessories, here is the final look, you guys. A simple, soft hairstyle, perfect for the holidays. Now, I'm going to need you to go to TGIN's website to grab these products. They're having a 40% off sale for Black Friday, and if you use my code SULI15, you'll get an additional 15% off. That's 55% off. What are you waiting for? Go!